What's up, guys? It's the H2O Bro. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be replacing this 20-inch Big Blue filter. It's a very standard filter. It's found in a lot of industrial, commercial, but also some residential areas. So today, let's get right down to it. So in order to relieve pressure before you're able to, pop this housing open, you're going to want to go upstream. In this case, upstream would be you follow the line here, and the two valves right here is the upstream, because that is what's going to the blue filter. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these off. To the right, that's off, and this is off. Now, if you're changing this filter at your house, the way you would turn off the pressure you would go to your city or to your main, which should be right in front of your house, not on the street, but right in front of your house. You can turn off your main there, and then you're going to want to relieve pressure downstream. Again, if you're doing it residential, you can do it. You can open up a faucet in your house, and by opening up a faucet, you're effectively relieving all the pressure in the system. So the way I'm going to do it is I already turned off these two valves here. There is no valve downstream, but I do have this here. If you have this little button here, you can also relieve pressure there. So there you go. No more water comes out. That's all the pressure has come out. Then you're going to grab your filter wrench. Looks like this 20-inch filter wrench. Okay. You're going to wrap it around the housing. It has little notches. The wrench has little notches that match up with this ridge here. And once you match that up, you're able to pull and break it loose. Once you break it loose, you can either get a bucket like I do here, put it underneath, because there's going to be a good amount of water that comes out, but this guy is already loose, as you can tell. So you just untwist the housing, take the old filter out, put the new filter in, and then once it's in, you hand tighten this as hard as you can, but you don't want to get it too tight with the wrench. So I would recommend just tightening it with your force. If you're not strong enough, sure, you can use the wrench and just tighten it up a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you're going to do this at your house, the way you relieve the pressure, I'll tell you again, you go to your water main, which should be right outside your house. You don't have to do it at the street. You could do it at the water main at your house. And then that's the upstream. You close that valve, and then you go downstream, which would be inside your house. You open up any faucet, leave it open, and that's going to relieve all the pressure in the system. Once you do that, you can twist this housing off, or if you have that little red button here, you push it. That will also relieve all the pressure. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Appreciate you.